Hello students, a warm welcome to all of you in ITLS Academy. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the overview of immunology. We understand the overall idea of immunology. Okay, so we start today's lecture. Now we understand what is a immunology. Okay, first we understand what is a immunology. Immunology is a branch of biology in which we study the defense mechanism of our body. Okay, of our body. What is immunology? Immunology is a branch of biology in which we study the defense mechanism of our body or immune response immune response of our body for for foreign as well as abnormal cells. These foreign particles are very harmful for our body, and these foreign particles may be bacteria, viruses, fungus, parasite, etc. Okay, what is the immunology? Is a branch of science in which we study the defense mechanism of our body and also study the immune response, how our body is react for a harmful foreign particles, and these foreign particles may be bacteria, viruses, fungus, parasites, etc. By the help of defense mechanism, we also removed out the abnormal cells from our body, and the example of our abnormal cells are cancer cells. Okay, and these are the cells which involve in immune system or defense mechanism of our body. T cells, dendritic cells, B cells, natural killer cells. These are the cells which plays a most important role in defense mechanism of our body. Next, we understand what is the immunity. What is the immunity? Immunity is the ability of our body to protect itself from foreign. Next, we understand what is the immunity. Immunity is the ability of body to protect itself from harmful substance, and these harmful substances may be pathogens, toxins, abnormal cells, etc. Okay, what is the immunity? What is the immunity? Basically, immunity is the ability or capability of our body to fight against the harmful substance. Immunity is a very critical function of immune system, and in immune system lots of organs, cells, molecules are work together and protect our body from foreign or harmful substance. Okay, and this immunity is a latent word. Hmm. This immunity word comes from a Latin word that is immunis. Immunis means exempt. Immunis means exempt or without tax. This word first time used in England for a legal term in 14th century. After the 14th century, in late 19th century, this word is very commonly used in the field of medical. Okay, okay. What is the immunity? Immunity is a capability of our body to protect. What is the immunity? What is the immunity? What is the immunity? Immunity is the capability of our body to protect themselves for harmful foreign substance. Okay, and this word come from a Latin word that is Immunist means without tax or exempt. Now we understand what is a immune system. Immune system is an array of what is the immune system? Immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues and organs that work together to protect our body from harmful substance. Okay, what is the immune system? Immune system is an array of cells, tissues and organs that work together to protect our body from harmful substance. Okay, and this immune system is a body tool that are used to prevent or limiting the infection, and this infection is caused by bacteria, viruses, etc. Okay, in immune system, our skin, our tissues, our bodily fluids such as blood against fight against the foreign particles or germs. This immune system is made up of two systems. First is the innate immune system, second is the adaptive immune system. This innate immune system and adaptive immune system work closely together and perform their task for to perform their task against the foreign particles or harmful substance. Okay, what is the immune system? Immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues and organ. What is the immunity? Immunity is a capability or ability of our body to fight against the foreign particles. And what is the immune system? An immune system is a network of cells, tissues and organ. And what is immunology? Immunology is a branch of science in which we study the immune response of our body. Mhm. These are the tissues and organ which plays a most important role in immune these are the tissues and organ which plays a most important role in immune system. First is lymph node, lymphatic vessels, bone marrow, spleen, pairs of patches, small intestine, large intestine, appendix, thymus, tonsil and adenoids. These are the tissues and organ which plays a most important role in immune system, and this lymph node, lymphatic vessels, bone marrow, spleen have some cells and proteins which plays a most important role against the foreign particles or harmful particles. Now we understand the types of immune system. There are two types of immune system. First is the innate immune system and second is the adaptive immune system. This innate immune system is also known as a general immune system, and this adaptive immune system is also known as a specific immune system. Okay, this innate immune system is non-specific. Okay, and this adaptive immune system is specific. This innate immune system is also further divided into four parts. First is physical barrier, chemical barrier, cellular defense and inflammatory response. In physical barrier, skin and the example of physical barrier is skin and mucus. And the example of chemical barrier is stomach and antimicrobial proteins. And the example of cellular defense is phagocytes, macrophage and neutrophils and natural killer cells. Okay, and this next is adaptive immune system. Adaptive immune system is further divided into two main system. First is the humoral immune system and second is the cell mediated immune system. In humoral immunity system we contain B cells or antibody. In cell mediated immune system we contain a T cells. In T cells, helper T cells and cytotoxic T cells and antigen presenting cells. Antigen presenting cells may be dendritic cells and macrophages. This is the whole immune system which fight against the foreign particles. Okay, our immune defense mechanism is divided into two parts. First is a innate, second is a adaptive. And the function of the function of innate immune system is against the foreign bodies, injuries and pathogens. In adaptive immune system, we against the specific pathogen and changed body cells. And these are the function of innate and adaptive immune system. Okay, in innate immune system we consider the skin, mucous membrane and scavenger cells. And an adaptive immune system we consider the B cells, antibody, T cells, etc. Next we discuss the innate immunity. Innate immunity is non-specific. Okay, it responds in the same way for all germs and foreign substance. Okay, and this innate immunity is the first line of defense against the pathogenic substance, and these pathogenics may be bacteria, viruses, fungus, etc. Okay, and this immune system is act very quickly or instant. Okay, it makes sure that bacteria that have entered the skin through a small wound are detect and destroy on the spot within a few hours. There is a drawback of this innate immune system, and the drawback of this immune system is this, that this immune system can't always stop the germs for spreading in our body. Okay, sometimes this immune system can't stop the germs or pathogenic particles to spreading in our body. Okay, this immune system provide a protection via skin or mucous membrane. This immune system also provide a protection through immune system cells or proteins. Okay, what is the features of innate immunity? What is the features of innate immunity system? This is a non-specific immune system. This is a non-specific. This is a first line of defense. Okay, this is very quick, and this provide a protection through skin, mucous membrane or cells or protein. Okay, these are the features of innate immune system. This immune system is by birth. That's why this immune system is also known as a native or natural immune system. Okay. Now we discuss the innate immunity protection offered by the skin or mucous membrane. All outer and inner surface. All outer and inner surface of our body is a key part of innate immune system. Outer surface may be skin. Inner surface may be mucous membrane. This skin and this mucous membrane are the key part of innate immune system. Okay, and this innate and mucous membrane is a is known as a physical barrier. Skin and mucous membrane is an example of physical barrier. Okay, This is the example of physical barrier to stop the foreign particles to enter in our body. This skin and mucus is the example of physical barrier to stop the germs to enter in our body. Okay, and this mucous membrane and skin release some acid, enzymes, and mucus to prevent the bacteria and viruses for growing or spreading in our body. Certain movements in our body also responsible for stopping the germs in our body, and this is also example of physical barrier, and the example of this movement is hair and the example of this movement is hair like structure, cilia, and bowel muscles. Okay, this hair like structure is present in our lungs and nose, which are responsible for stopping the foreign particles or bacteria and viruses. Okay, some fluids in our body have similar effect, and the example of this fluid is tears. This tears, sweat, and urine. Okay, this is also included in innate immune system, and this tear contain IgA. IgA is a antibody which are responsible for killing the foreign particles. Okay, this is the protection offered by the skin and mucous membrane by innate immune system. Okay, now we discuss the protection offered by the immune system cells and protein. Okay, suppose a foreign particle enter in our body, and this foreign particles pass through skin and mucous membrane. Okay, this foreign particle or germs pass through this physical barrier. Physical barrier. Now this foreign particle enter in our body. Okay, okay, now this innate immune system fight against this germs. Now our innate immune system fight against this germs by the using of special types of cell. Special types of cells or protein, and the example of this protein is complement protein. And these cells may be neutrophil, macrophage, monocytes, etc. This immune system also release some enzymes, and these enzymes are lysozymes, and this is also release some chemicals such as interleukin and cytokines. Okay, by the help of these complement proteins and cells, pattern recognize pattern recognizing molecules, acute phase protein, cationic peptide, enzymes, and interleukin cytokines are the special types of cells which are present under the innate immune. This is the special types of cells which consider under the innate immune system, which are also responsible for fight against the germs whenever the germs is passed through the physical barrier. Okay, these are the two ways by which innate immune system provide a protection against the foreign particles. First is a physical barrier. In physical barrier, we include a skin and mucous membrane, and second is a immune system cells and proteins. And in this system, we consider the complement protein, pathogenic recognized molecules, acute phase proteins, cationic peptide, enzymes, lysozyme, interleukin, cytokinase, etc. Okay. Now we discuss our next immune system, that is a adaptive immune system or adaptive immunity. This adaptive immune system is also known as the acquired immune system. This is a specific immune system. This is a specific immune system. Okay. Acquired immune system or adaptive immunity or adaptive immune system is also known as a acquired immune system or acquired immunity. This is a specific immune system. This immune system have a capability to recognize a selective or specific foreign particles or harmful pathogen. Okay, what is a adaptive immune system? Adaptive immune system is a specific immune system that have a capability to recognize a specific or selective and specific foreign particles. Okay, this immune system is activated whenever a pathogen pass through the innate immune system. Whenever the pathogen is passed through the innate immune system, then this innate immune system activate the adaptive immune system. Suppose this is a person and this is a bacteria, and this bacteria is attack on this human, then first it will pass through physical barrier. Okay, then whenever this foreign particle pass through this physical barrier, then it will treat with innate immune system, proteins and cells. Okay, and whenever this bacteria is pass through physical barriers and also pass through this innate immune system, protein and cells, then it will activate the adaptive immune system. Okay, and this is a part of innate immune system. Adaptive immune system is activated whenever the pathogen challenge the animals or organisms. Okay, and this adaptive immune system have a certain characteristics. This immune system is antigen specific. This immune system is antigen specific. This immune system have a memory. This immune system is contain diversity and have a capability to recognize a self or non-self cell. These are the main characteristics of adaptive immune systems. B cells, T cells, antibodies is a part of adaptive immune system. Okay, This dark region cells is responsible for adaptive immunity, and this light shaded cells are responsible for innate immunity. In innate immunity, we study the monocyte, natural killer cell, neutrophils, mast cells, eosinophils, basophils, and macrophages. Okay. Adaptive immune system are directed against a specific pathogens or foreign particles. Okay. The lymphocyte cells contain a unique receptor. Due to this unique receptor, cells bind or treat the specific foreign particle. Suppose this is a lymphocyte cells. In this lymphocyte cells, only spherical shaped foreign particles is bind. Suppose this is a foreign particle. This is a different shaped foreign particle. Only spherical shaped foreign particles is bind to this receptor and activate the adaptive immunity. That's why due to this specific receptor, this adaptive immunity shows this adaptive immunity shows a specificity. Next is memory. This adaptive immune system have a capability to recall the previous contact with the foreign particles and respond to it. Okay, respond to it in a learned manner. Suppose this is a human body. A foreign particle or bacteria attack on this human body. Okay, in this human body, the innate immune system activate release some cytokines. This cytokines or interleukins, this cytokines and interleukins activate the adaptive immune system. Whenever this adaptive immune system is activated, then it will form, then B cells will activate. B lymphocyte cells will activate. Whenever this B lymphocyte cells will activate, it will make two types of cells. First is a memory cells and second is a antibody. This memory cells, okay, this B cell form a antibody or memory cells. Okay, whenever this same bacteria is again attack on this human being, then directly this memory cell is activate and kill the pathogen. Okay, okay, and this is a very unique feature of adaptive immunity. Okay, once the immune system encounter a pathogen, it retain a memory of that encounter. Okay, and this memory allow for the fast and more robust response upon the subsequent encounter with the same pathogen. Okay, next is diversity. The adaptive immune system can recognize and respond a vast range of pathogens or foreign substance. Okay, and this diversity is generated through the genetic recombination and somatic hypermutation during the lymphocyte development. This diversity is generated due to the VDJ rearrangement in antibody, basically in the heavy chain and light chain of antibody. Next is self and non-self. Okay, adaptive immune system have a capability to recognize and respond to molecules that are foreign and avoid making a response to self molecules. This adaptive immune system have a capability to recognize a foreign particle due to the specific receptor on a lymphocyte cells. Okay, first is characteristic is specificity. This adaptive immune system is specific for a specific foreign particle due to the unique receptor on a lymphocyte cells. Next, this immune system have a capability to recall the previous contact with the foreign molecules. Next is diversity. This adaptive immune system can recognize and respond a vast range of foreign particles or foreign substance, and this diversification is due to the VDJ rearrangement in the light and light and heavy chain of antibody. Next is self and non-self recognition. This adaptive immune system have a capability to recognize a foreign self and non-self cells due to the specific receptor on a foreign particles or lymphocyte cells. Okay, these are the specific feature of adaptive immune system. Okay, please follow ITLS Academy on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and also get it on Google Play Store. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe ITLS Academy. Thank